Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about an important feature called monitor. So let's begin. First, understand about the monitor. Monitor in Postman is used to run your collection automatically at schedule. You can use it to test your API regularly, check uptime, and get reports via email. It is helpful for tracking your API health without running tests manually. Step 1, create a collection. Open Postman and create a new collection. Click on New and then click on Collection. Enter collection name, Monitor API. Now, in this collection, add a request. Click on three dots and then click on Add Request. Open Chrome browser and here you can view list user API. We can use this API. Open Postman and enter URL here. Step 2. Step 2 is add request. Now, step 3, we need to create a monitor. Create monitor. Open Postman and click on send. As you can view here, we are getting 200 response code and this is the response. Now create a monitor. Click on three dot, click on more and then click on create monitor. Inside create monitor, you need to enter monitor name. As you can view, this is the collection name and here option available. Current, you want to create a monitor on this current collection. So here current selected. If any environment in your API, you can select environment from here. Here you can view multiple environments are available. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the environment. So you can search here environments and if any data in your API like user records or any data, login data, so you can select the JSON or CSV file from this select file. Run this monitor. Check your usage limits. You can schedule this API weekly or hourly. If you click on this hour, if you want to run this API every hour, every 2 hours, every 3 hours, all these options are available. Now, in a weekly, you can view if you want to run this API every day. So you can select here every day and select the time here. Here all options are available. Suppose you want to run this API every Monday. So you can select here day and then select the time in which time you want to run this API. So you can select, suppose you want to run this API on every Monday at 2 a.m. So you can select the time from here. Now, here two options are available. Automatically select region or manually select region. By default, this option are disabled. You can view here you are on free plan. Upgrade to manually select specific monitor regions. Now scroll down and here you can view receive email notification for run failure and errors. If any, error occurred, so you can receive email of the result. And another option here available, add an other recipient email. You can add an other email here. Now you can stop notification after 3 consecutive failures. You can stop email notification if 3 consecutive failures occur. Now, this is the advanced settings. Retry if run fails, set request timeout. You can add the delay before request and enable SSL validation. These two checkbox are marked. Now, click on create monitor. After clicking on create monitor, you can view here monitor created. If you want to run manually, so you just need to click on run, and here option available share monitor. You can share this monitor with an other colleagues. So here refresh button also available. Now click on this run. In this you can view, this is the collection name, healthy, and here two option available, run summary or individual request. You can run individual request. You can filter here if you want to filter all request or new request, and here type option available, manual or schedule run. And if you want to view only successful, so you can click on this successful. Now only successful request will be displayed here. Here failure option available, here no any failure, so you can view here no data are available. Click on all, and this is the time zone. You can clear all the filters. Let's apply a filter and then click on clear all filters. You can clear all filters by clicking on this button, and here you can view by clicking on this. We can view here request sent successfully, but we are getting 401 unauthorized because we need to enter token in this API. As you can view here, monitor API started, new request. This is the request name, and this is the complete URL. We can view all response from here and click on this monitor API finished, run complete. Now again click on this run. As you can view here, time response time 0.17 second, failure percent 0, and this is the time in which this API are running. And scroll down, this is the time. Click on this. Here you can view 2 times because you run this API through monitor 2 times, so you can view here time. Here console logs are available and test results. Click on this one. We are getting 401 unauthorized, and click on this. Click on send, and here you can view we are getting response. That's all for today tutorial on about monitor in Postman. It helps you run your test automatically and stay updated on your API performance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQL World. See you in the next video.